French seams are a great option for your project when you want it to look good from the inside and out, and especially ideal for garments made of sheer fabric like organza and chiffon. To begin, place your pieces right sides together, line up your edges and pin. At this point, bring it to your machine and use a long basting stitch or running stitch to sew along your seam allowance about 5/8 of an inch from the edge. You could also do this part by hand. Now, using a smaller stitch, stitch closer to the raw edge about 3/8 of an inch away from it. At this point, you can remove the basting stitch that you made earlier. Carefully trim your fabric close to the edge of your seam. Open your fabric and then press it open. After that, fold it so that the seam is on the inside and press along that seam again. With the seam inside, stitch about 3/8 of an inch away from the pressed edge or far enough away to ensure that the raw edge of your original seam is completely encased in the new seam. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on your notifications. Please leave a comment if you have a question, a video request, or just want to say hi. Links to my various sites can be found in the description. I hope you have a lovely day.